Hey guys, it's Russia and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my Bantu knots. I'm doing these for the first time, so I'm super excited, but I also was so nervous to do this. So I'm starting off by first sectioning off my hair per usual for every style I do. And today I'm going to be using the Dove Amplified Textures line. I'm super excited to try this out because this is definitely a new product line to the natural hair community. For today, I'm using the Moisture Lock Leave-In Conditioner as well as the Shine and Moisture Finishing Gel. And I'm starting off by putting in the leave-in conditioner into my hair and just thoroughly applying it. Just for some reference here, I did let my hair dry mostly before applying the products onto my hair, just so that I didn't have to wait too much of a long time for my hair to fully dry in the Bantu knots. So I left my hair in my microfiber towel for about 30 to 45 minutes before I started doing the Bantu knots. So I'm taking some oil as well. This is the Dr. Miracle's Strong and Healthy Line oil, and I'm separating my hair and I'm starting to do the Bantu knot. Now, the method that I'm using is a little bit different. I'm using the 2-strand twist method, and then I twist it onto itself to create the Bantu knot. I know that a lot of people don't think this method is really like the traditional Bantu knot hairstyle, which I totally agree with, but personally for me, I'm really not that good at doing my hair, so doing the 2-strand twist and then twisting it on top of itself to create the Bantu knot sort of guaranteed me a somewhat good looking hairstyle, which I'm sorry if that seems like cheating to some people, but I did not want a repeat of what happened to my flexi rod. So if you saw that video, definitely you know exactly what I'm talking about, but if you didn't, I'll make sure to link it in the description box as well as the cards. But right now I'm just doing the Bantu knots in the video again. It's just sped up, doing the 2-strand twist and then twisting it onto itself. And yeah, this really took me a long time and my arms were super tired by the end of it, but I did my whole head myself, so I'm proud of that. If you're gonna commit to Bantu knots, like, just know, like, it's a commitment, and especially if you have thick hair, like, it's no joke because your arms are literally gonna hurt. One thing that I would definitely do next time is get some rubber bands to put around the Bantu knots. I found that personally for me, it was really hard for me to make the Bantu knots super tight to the point where they didn't move. I feel like some of them I was able to do that, but some of them just kept coming out, as you guys can see that, and I had to retwist a few of them. So I definitely would do that next time I do this style. So now we're moving on to the final twist, and I slowed this down so that you guys can really see like how long it really takes me to do this one twist. But I'm just getting this last one in, and I'm pretty sure I had to redo this last one, but totally fine. And yeah, just seal that off. I'm finally done. Finally. I just want to say, if this does not come out right, I may never do this again. My arms hurt so bad. The amount of times I've had to retwist some of these buns, and these two right up here, they're starting to come out. So I'm gonna have to go through again and just retwist. I don't know how people keep these in with no rubber bands, because I'm definitely gonna need to get some rubber bands to keep some of these in place. But I'm just gonna tell you guys what time it is. It is 8:08, and I definitely started this at 6:05. So yeah, I will see you guys here tomorrow morning where we will see what my head looks like. I'm also thinking about going under the heated cap a little bit tonight, just so that my hair isn't like soaking wet while I'm trying to sleep. But yeah, as you guys can see, I'm very tired. I just want to make dinner and watch a movie and go to sleep. So this is what my head looks like. Good night. Okay, so I'm about to leave my house, but I'm gonna take the Bantu knots out. Also, this is what I use to like protect my ears from my heat cap because it gets like super hot. So, you know, a girl doesn't want to burn herself. But I am pretty sure these buns are like dry, like 100%. So I'm gonna start off with this small one right here in the front. Oh, here's my oil. I was like, where's my oil? Okay, I've been using this since I started these Bantu knots, but this is the Dr. Miracle Strong and Healthy Restoring in Hair Scalp Oil. I'm gonna put a little bit of this in my hands, not too much, just to help with taking out these Bantu knots. So we're gonna start by taking this one out. I'm like really hoping this is dry because like I went under the cap and then I also let it air dry for a bit. So okay. All right, so we're gonna take the twist out. As you guys know, I decided to twist, like do a 2-strand twist and then do the Bantu knot because I really was scared that if I didn't do that, my hair was just gonna come out crappy like my flexi rods came out. So I feel like I somewhat had like a guarantee that my hair was gonna somewhat look nice, which some people may say is cheating, but I don't think so. Okay, this is cute. The test is when I like separate them. That's really the test because they're starting to swivel. They're starting to do this, you know, the shrinkage thing. So I'm not gonna take them out yet, but let's keep moving and taking out the Bantu knots. Okay, I think I took all the Bantu, oh, nope, I lied. There's one more. But right now, not a fan of what's going on in my head. This is giving me like flashbacks to the flexi rod. But I'm gonna take this out, I'm gonna separate them, and I'm gonna see what happens. I think that the Dove products did great. My hair is super moisturized, it's shiny, it looks good. I like the way my hair looks. We just need to determine what this is about to look like when I take and like separate everything. So I'm gonna put a little bit more oil in my hands, warm it up, and then let's just start separating this first bit. Oh, this is kind of cute. Okay, so the difference in what this is doing versus what my flexi rods were doing was that I'm separating this and it's just staying the same length. While when I was doing the flexi rods, it was like shriveling up per se, and it was kind of strange, just like the way it was, just like what it was doing. I was just so confused. But we're gonna separate these and then just see what my hair looks like after. Okay, so I'm like kind of liking it. I feel like it came out good, but I'm just like not used to my hair, like the curls being loose like this. I also may not keep it in like, because when my hair is regular, I usually just keep like the front bang going. Recently, because I like have shorter pieces in the front now, I would usually keep the front bang going, but the front bang is not giving me the vibes that I want. So I think I may just keep it with the side part and then just like gel my edges a little bit. You guys know I'm not a big edge person, so I'm probably just gonna like do one swoop and then I'm done. And then put some oil on top. I think it does look nice, but I'm not used to what I don't know. I think it looks nice. I just don't think that I'm used to my hair looking like this. So to me it looks bad, but maybe to other people it may look nice or like whatever. But this is my hair. This is my Bantu knot ordeal. I think it looks pretty good. I have to go outside today and I have to leave soon, so this is how I'm going to be wearing my hair today. But for my first time doing this, I think that I did a great job. I feel like I can definitely improve in some areas and maybe use, I don't know, some different products and experiment, but overall I did like the way that the Dove products performed in my hair. I just want to say that because I didn't really have the highest hopes for these products, but they worked really, really well. I do still have some frizz though, but that could even be my own fault as well. But yeah, this is how my hair came out. I like really just don't know how to feel about it. I don't think it looks bad. I just think it looks different and I'm not used to it. But you know, we gotta try new things. You gotta get out of our comfort zone. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and watching me do this new hairstyle to my hair. If you guys want me to do more videos like this, make sure to leave it in the comments down below. Make sure to like this video to help support my channel and subscribe so that you guys can see me here every Wednesday and Sunday. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.